Hey, so having these smart outlets around the home is amazing and really useful, except for the fact you can't really stack them. I mean, physically, you can't plug two of these into one outlet. And these are some of the smaller versions versus a lot of the bigger ones. So, how can you deal with that? Well, don't worry. What about a smart power strip? This is the Smart Power Strip by Zilld. Now, this is one of many different ones that are out there on the market, but the reason why I like this one, flip it over here, is it's not only a smart surge protector, but you can control these 4 outlets individually. Like you can have one on and one off. Plus, it gives you the 4 USB charging ports as well. So let's see how well it works. Hey, Josh here from Gross Tech, where I try to make smart home life and smart home technology simple and easy to understand and use, so that way you guys can enjoy having them around your house and honestly make your life a lot simpler. So please consider subscribing. So I kind of want to give you an over-the-shoulder kind of how it works and everything, so let me just plug this in. Alright, so we are plugged in, and as you can see, the light here was flashing green, which is good. You turn on, gives you a green indicator above every single outlet. And what that kind of indicates is those are the groups that you're able to actually turn on and off. So you can control individually these outlets, plus you can turn on the whole group of the USB. You can't do each individual USB outlet, but you can of each one of here. So it uses the Smart Life app, which if you've seen other videos, I like to use the Taya Smart. Hey, so now that we have it set up on our phone, we can actually control it. As you can see, you can control the entire thing just with that button. You can control each individual one by selecting each individual thing or all the USBs, and we can turn them back all on. You can change the name of each socket. You can do a countdown of each socket. You know, if you want this to be on for so long, you can have it have a countdown. You can also set an alarm for each one, so that way it's a timer. Kind of like scheduling basically for each one. It also gives you can name the device, you can do the Google Home and Alexa. So let's take this, which is this one. It's off. Plug it into there. Now, if I turn the whole thing off, it turns it off. If I turn it all back on, it's on. If I turn just that single outlet off, again, you can control every single outlet individually, which is spectacular. Alright, so now we have the lamp itself on the socket 1. We have the salt lamp, hopefully you can see, on the socket 2. So if I turn socket 2 off, turns that off, but not the actual lamp. I can turn the lamp off, leave that on. I can turn the whole thing off, it'll turn both off, turn them both on. So the versatility of it is huge. Unless you actually name each of those outlets on the power strip, it will not be able to be used with your voice. You can use it through the app of the Taya or Smart Life app, but you cannot use your Google Home or your Amazon Echo to be able to control each individual outlet unless you rename them. Once you rename them, it shows up as a new individual device itself, and then you can use that specific word or name that you gave it to control it. So hopefully you see not just the benefit of having smart outlets, but having a smart power strip. And honestly, with this one to be able to control each individual outlets makes your ability and your options so much more and limitless to be able to control your devices as long, again, as you rename each outlet to a specific name. Hey, thanks again for watching the video. My name is Josh with Gross Tech. If you haven't seen the other videos in our channel, we have them here and here, as well as the subscribe button down here. Also, if you've seen during the video, there's some cue cards that are up in the top left corner, right corner for you. Gives you some other options and some other videos to help you understand what smart home life really is all about and how to use smart home technology. So again, my name's Josh with Gross Tech. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.